Hey folks, Chris here with Reliable Home Improvement. You know, when a lot of our homes were built in the 1980s and 90s, we thought insulation was really deep if it was R30 insulation. Well, now building codes call for a greater depth. R44 insulation is standard now in this area. I wanted to show you how the house performs with R30 and then how it'll perform with R44. I think you'll be amazed with the results. Now, before we did anything, day number one, it was 91 degrees. It was about 6 o'clock in the evening. Interior, ambient temperature, 90 degrees throughout the house. Okay, we're up in the attic. It's time to blow some insulation in. This is the original insulation. The depth of it was R30. And that was that pink fiberglass insulation. Now time for the new stuff to be added on top. You can see it's a little different in color, but still, Owens Corning manufactures the AtticCat insulation. Look at the difference. We're talking about a 6-7 inch difference in insulation depth up here. It's like a snowstorm just hit. And we put these measuring sticks around the attic so we can tell how deep everything is. You can see right there, R44, it's about 15.5 inches in depth. Okay, so we've blown in the insulation, R44 or greater throughout the entire attic. You can see this big mound of insulation right over here. That's actually insulation that's covering some of the duct work for the HVAC system. It's going to make the system operate more efficiently. You'll be more comfortable in the house, and I'll save some money on keeping this place cool in the summer and warmer in the winter. Now, later that day at 7 p.m., the temperature outside was 90 degrees in Forest Hill. That's a pretty hot day up in the foothills. The inside of the house was 85 degrees. Now keep in mind, the HVAC system wasn't running at all during the day. It's a 5-degree improvement from the day before, and that's a big difference because it's much easier to cool an 85-degree house than a 90-degree house. So if your house was built in the 70s, 80s, even the 1990s, it's time to add some insulation to bring your house up to current building code standards. You'll save money in the long run, and you'll be more comfortable in the summer and winter.